Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at some Matchbox stock cars. These all have a 1993 copyright date on the packaging, but as you can see the blister cards aren't the same. The left one is a style card that was used up until 1993, and the right one is the card back starting from 1994. In the middle, of course, you have a window box. So let's take a look at which is probably the oldest one here. So it's a Pontiac stock car. It was a new model in 1993. Authentically detailed, rugged construction, it says, number 35. So you can see the Super Spin car wash, 1993 copyright on the card. So here it is. Let's take a look at the base. Grand Prix stock car, it says, 1992 copyright and 1/67 scale. Very wide tires, Goodyear Eagle deco on it. Very bright yellow, fluorescent yellow actually. Seaside Motorsports, number 15 on the roof. Holly. Nothing in the back. So it does get a lot of tampos on the sides, on the top. Just not front and back. And then the other one on the blister card. This one has the stock wheels, has the T-Bird. This was a new color, and this, according to my information, was new in 1994. So why it says new color, I don't know. Maybe one of them is wrong. Either it was a new color or it was a new model. So it's got those golden Tyco wheels on it. Ford Thunderbird, 1993 copyright, 1/66 scale. It does have suspension, that's cool. Oh, the other one had it too. Sorry, forgot to check. Should always check that. Sometimes I forget. So it's got some painted details, grille details in the front, Racetech radios on the hood or bonnet. Goodyear written on the fenders here. Number 16, this one. So I don't know if all the numbers were represented in the lineup. I have no idea. It's got one seat, of course. Only one seat. This one would have had that too, I bet. It's a little bit hard to see because it's black interior. And then the last one is in this limited edition packaging, Superstars 1993 Grand National. It's got 1993 written all over it. It's got some licensing information here, and also here at the bottom, 1993 copyright, Tyco Toys. And then all kinds of trademarks. So let's take a look. So this one also has suspension. It's got the same wheels as the fluorescent yellow one, but this one has yellow paint instead of white on the tires. Ford Thunderbird, 1991 copyright, 1/66 scale. Again, the Goodyear fenders. This one does have a brand logo. Oh, that's cool. It's got Thunderbird molded into the casting here in the the spoiler lip and the front bumper. That's nice. It's got tampos in the back too. Wow. It's all decked out. All around. Because it even has the number 48 here on the headlight. So this has full tampos. Same interior on all of them. Of course they all look alike very much, and certainly to me as a European I can't see much difference in them. These are the same castings, this one is different. So yeah, these two are the same. Oh yeah, they're both Thunderbirds. So it says Grand National here. So this has nothing. I thought this was a. You probably think I'm stupid, but I thought this was a Buick Grand National that was in here. But maybe I'm just wrong, or maybe this car did not belong in the box. But it's probably my bad. So these are both Ford Thunderbirds. Okay. Yeah, that's why they are the same, obviously. And here's the Grand Prix stock car. It just says Pontiac. Pontiac Grand Prix, and the other two are Ford T-Birds. Okay, well, this is a world I don't know anything about, stock cars. So I only have these three. I thought I'd show these on a separate episode. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.